Greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. Today we're going to be doing a test using this Bally Paragon. We're going to be comparing different light setups with LEDs, incandescents, etc. So right now I've got the game fired up. It's full of 44, 47 bulbs. This is all original in a stock configuration. So you can see the bulbs are there. Now I'm going to put the Paragon backglass in and we're going to get a little bit of video of this. And then we'll be changing it out for LEDs and we're going to see how it looks. So, there's our regular, all original look with the backglass. You can see it's got that classic kind of yellow, incandescent kind of thing to it, right? So I'm going to do the same thing with with warm white and cool white LEDs, and we're going to see how it works. So this is the incandescents. Now I'm going to stop the camera, switch things out, and we're going to show you in the next video the next step, different configuration with lighting, and you can compare and contrast. So stay tuned. Next video comes up. Alright, greetings and welcome back to PinballHelp. Mike here. Okay, so this is video 2 of our test with the lighting changes on a Bally Paragon. In the first video I had all incandescents, original bulbs. This one I've replaced them all with Comet warm white frosted LEDs. Most of them are 2 SMD. There's 1, 2, 3 of them in the upper left corner that are 1 SMD. So these are the new 2 LED frosted warm whites. So let's throw the backglass in and see how these look. There you have it. Looks noticeably brighter, but it still has that warm white glow to it. I think that's pretty darn nice. What do you think? And I don't think you can't tell the difference. If you looked in there, you wouldn't know, except unless you knew, wow, those are brighter than typical incandescents. So that's a nice look. So now what we're going to do is we're going to try to add some cool whites in there. Instead of making it all warm, we're going to see if we can just selectively put some areas in here based on different things around the glass and see if we can make it pop a little bit more. Obviously this is the old school look with that yellowish tint to the lights. Let's see what happens if we put some cool whites in there, shall we? Greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. This is video 3. This video, we're now doing a tasteful kind of melange of cool and warm white LEDs. Now this particular backglass has got a lot of yellows in it and reds. So there's not really a whole lot here to work with. Usually when you want to use cool whites when there's greens and blues and purples. Reds and yellows, you want the warm whites, it makes it pop more. So we're going to use a little combo here and we're going to see what looks better. So let's stick the backglass in. I've just tried to kind of have it match. Right off the bat I noticed that the Paragon is definitely brighter. It just really pops because it's white and it's got the green trim. We're going to put a lot more cool whites just to see what it looks like. So this is the in-between. I kind of like it. It kind of amplifies the different colors a bit, and so let's see what happens if we put all cools. Is it going to make it look worse because of the yellows and the reds? We'll see, so stay tuned for the next video. Alright, welcome back. This is the last video in our series of comparing the lighting on the Bally Paragon. In this case I have taken almost all the warm whites out of the back box and I've put cool whites. These are all 2 LED SMD Comets, cool frosted white. Natural is what they call it, which is the cool white instead of the warm. There is the cool all white look, and I think what pops out at me initially is it's overall much more brighter. It pops out more. It's probably more visible from further away. I think the cool wavelength is a little bit more, grabs your attention. This may be more of like what the original art might have actually looked like, because I think the cool white is a little bit more natural light than the warm. I don't think when artists are working, they're working under yellow lights. They want they want a wide spectrum so that everything looks a little bit more individually colored. But this is definitely not the way it would originally look with incandescents, which we can compare now that we've got video of all of them. So what do you think? Write in the comments. Do you like the look of the cool ones? If this game was on location, what do you think would appeal more to you? I mean, there's a nostalgic factor, and then there's also the attention-getting factor. And this one certainly jumps out a little bit more, you know? So hard to tell. Hard to tell. So let me know what you think, and in our next phase we're going to be trying some different boards in this machine, some that are designed specifically for LEDs, and we're going to see whether or not that works. And maybe I'll even do a before and after with the LEDs in the playfield, because right now those are all incandescents down there, and I know LEDs will make an improvement down there. So thanks for watching, and for more visit pinballhelp.com. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel /pinballhelp. And thanks for watching. Alright, welcome back to Pinball Help. I decided to do another video. This is the 5th one, and this one I am settling on a little bit more of a mixed theme. I've got warm and cool, and you see I've got warm mostly in the middle to catch the griffin. I've got cool down here where the maiden is, and I've got cool up there where the logo is. So let's see how well this works, if this gives me what I want. Alright, what do we think? That Paragon logo is noticeably brighter just because it's got a lot more lights closer together. You could almost get away with using a little bit of like maybe one LED lights and it would probably look better. Now on the camera, it may wash out a little bit because it's trying to adjust, but your eyes do things differently when you're looking at it. So I think this looks pretty darn good. What do you think? Thoughts? What do you guys think? Let me know. And wow, this does kind of jump out at you though. It just seems to be a little bit more intense. I like it. I do like it. Anyway, let me know what you think, and put your comments in there. Be sure to subscribe to YouTube /pinballhelp.com, and thanks for watching.